Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Due to various announcements, news or quarterly results, certain famous stocks have moved significantly up or down today. We are discussing brief reasons for their movement today. These were the big movers in today's market. Number 1, Tata Motors. Tata Motors share price touched a new lifetime high of 1094 today as it rallied by 6%. Foreign brokerage company Nomura upgraded the stock with a buy recommendation as it expects good growth in the coming year. The target price has been revised upwards to Rs 1294. This is approximately 20% higher than the closing price of today. As per Nomura, Tata Motors is likely to be significantly benefited from the improvement in Jaguar Land Rover's business and also the de-merger of the commercial vehicles business from the passenger vehicle division. Usually, commercial vehicle division grows at a lower rate than the passenger vehicle division. So once it is separated or demerged, then the valuation of the company may increase further. As per analyst estimates, the margin of Tata Motors is projected to rise from 7.8% in 2024-25 to 8.5% next year and 10.1% in 2026-27. Also, it feels that there is a potential to reach 11 to 12% profit margin by 2029-30. This is mainly because of the phasing out of Jaguar's internal combustion engines or normal vehicles, and they are going to be making only electric vehicles in the future. Net debt of Rs 1,600 crores of Tata Motors, that is Rs 44 per share in 2023-24, is expected to turn into net cash, or basically all the debt will be repaid. It will become Rs 57 per share by 2025-26 and Rs 140 per share, basically the cash, by 2026-27. So all the debt is getting cleared and they are going to be net cash positive in the next 1 year or so. Company number 2, Larsen & Toubro or L&T. L&T reported good results yesterday evening after market hours. The share price went up by 2.8% today. The results were better than analyst expectations. Brokerage companies have maintained a buy rating on the stock. The quarterly results are as follows. Total revenue April to June 2023 47,882 crores. April to June 2024 55,120 crores. 15.1% rise. Net profit 3,096 crores has become 3,445 crores. So 11.3% rise. The revised target price of L&T after the results are Citi, which is a brokerage firm, they have given target after result of 4,396. MK Global Brokerage Company 4,100 is the target price. Nuvama Institutional Equities 4,040. Bernstein 3,800. HDFC Securities 4,030 is the target price. Approximate current price today was 3,619. L&T's order inflow for the April to June quarter was Rs 70,936 crores. This was 8% higher than the same quarter last year. The consolidated order book of the group was 4,90,881 crores as on June 30th, 2024. And the international orders in this was 38%. So they are actually not only dependent on Indian market, but globally also they are having a lot of business. L&T expects a rebound in international orders in the remaining part of this year. Company number 3, Titan Company. Titan shares fell by 2% today due to profit booking after it had rallied by more than 7% since the announcement of the budget 2 days back. Titan had rallied on budget day due to the cut in duty on gold from 15% to 6%. Similarly, the shares of other jewelry companies such as Kalyan Jewellers also fell today. Due to the cut in duty on gold prices, price of gold has fallen by around Rs 400 per gram. Jewelry companies are hoping for a better second half of the year due to the higher sales expected because of slight fall in gold prices. So these were the movers and shakers of today. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, are you planning to allocate less money to stocks due to the tax increase or the capital gains tax increase? If yes, type yes, otherwise type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.